has gone. My name's Minh. My name's Pinky. We're right today, but not too right. What's the matter? We are right today. I am right. Of course, you're right too. But Pinky's sad? What's the matter with you? My school has a big market. A big free market in my school now. So what's the matter? You will have lots of fun in the market. You have free things. No, I'm not. I only have, but I need to work too. Work on what? Work on cooking. So you need to learn more about cooking? Let's see. Today I will give you a kind of food that you may love. That's very yummy for me. So now let's learn about some kind of things in the kitchen. First is cooking oil. So what is cooking oil? Cooking oil is oiled. When you pour it on the pan, it makes the pan hot. So you can have dishes that are fried, like potato fries or fried chickens like that, or potatoes chips, sometimes like that. Cooking oil is made by nuts. So that's very nice. Choose the right kind of oil. Oil is like big bottles, but we can't drink oil. Remember, oil is too bad for you to drink. Only drink waters. Next we have pot holder. So what's a pot holder? It is like a mitten, right? So when the pot is too hot, ouch, I can hurt from it. Don't worry. Where are the pot holder? Feel warm, then take it. First you feel that it's hot, but after like 1 minute, less than 1 minute, you will find it's not hot, it's warm. So hold the pot and bring it to the table quickly. Don't say that, oh, if it protects my arms, then I will wear it all day and I will hold this all day. No. Because if you touch fire with a very long time, not a short time, you can feel like it is fire on your hand. Next we have a condor. So what's a condor? Condor is like candor. Yes, remember, candor and condor have very, very different meanings. Candor is like pieces of papers that you have on the numbers of the month, the date, like that. This condor is kind of like a big ball, but it's made out of plastic. It's the popularest thing. These condors have very small holes on it. Why? Want to have holes? Not have holes, so no holes so that we can put other things. No, you're wrong. When to use the condor, you can do these things. First, when you're washing your vegetables like that, you will pour the water in. And this dirty water you wouldn't want to drink this dirt. This dirty water. So you need to take it out. It's very easy with the condor. Only pour it into the vegetables and the condor, then the dirty water will come out of the condor. But the vegetables won't come out of the condor. These holes are too small for the vegetables, but too big for the water. Next, we have knife. So remember, knife is very dangerous. Knife is here for cutting, chopping, like you cut carrots or meat, like that. Many chiefs use knives, but that very, very nice chefs that are very good at cooking, they will use the knife with no sound. Very smoothly, but the people that don't have so much skills about knife don't know much and they will make very loud noises. What about bowls? Bowls is kind of made by inox by silver, right? It's the famous kind of bowl. Or sometimes it's made by clay, right? Plate is like a bowl too, but the plate looks like a circle, and it's like a kind of flat. But the bowl is not. It's like a 3D circle, but it's a half of that circle. So you can put the rice or dirt, water, the soup inside the bowl. But when you use plate, it's kind of a little bit hard for you to put water in because the plate is flat, so the water might come out very bad. Next, we have cutting board. So this board is not for writing on the board that shows the children how to do this problem. No. Cutting. You can use the knife or something else. Or radar like that. Cut on the board. Remember? The knife, the inox knife, might make many noises on the cutting board. But don't worry, it's still very good. The cutting board, sometimes remember, this board is made out of wood. So if you're using wood cutting board, remember about those needles. They can stuck in your hand. So I have that trick for you. Use plastic cutting board. We have sink. So probably in the kitchen you can find sinks. One sink or maybe even 3 sinks. What are sinks for? Sinks, populars have one side, only one side. It's like a bath for the food. You can wash the meat, the vegetables here with the water in the sink. Some kind of sink have 2 sides or 3 sides. The first side is used for washing your hands like that. The second side is like for washing your plates, your bowls, small plates like that. And the third side is for vegetables. You have a nice Condor on that so you can easily wash all of them. Don't have to buy any Condor. Next, we have a rater. So what's a rater? Remember the word rate. What does it mean? Rate means to make the big things into small pieces. So when you use the raters, put it on a cutting board, then move it up and down on the food that you want to rate. Like you can rate meat, potatoes, tomatoes, or maybe other things like cheese or butter. You can rate them to small pieces. Put them on some food and then make it into another kind of food. So remember, the rater has 2 kinds. First is the kind that you have to hold it. It is like it has a stick to hold. The second kind is like a rectangle. It looks like a rectangle. The shape looks like a 3D rectangle. You can only move the foot, not move the radar. The last thing that I want to introduce you is the fish sauce. So this kind of sauce is not only made from fish, but it often is made from fish. Sometimes it's made from meat, but not usually. The fish sauce is for the food. You can pour it with the cooking oil to make it look umami or more salty or sour, right? The fish sauce is made of fish, of course, so that's what kind of fish sauce. So these are the things that I want to introduce to you. Now let's see what is my favorite recipe. This is called banana pancakes. So this is kind of like an American's pancake. But it is kind of easy to do with my trick. Not pour all the things that's very difficult, very hard. So first, take a milk bottle out of the refrigerator. Take it out. Remember, it has a lid. Open the bottle. Then please put in some eggs. 3 or 2 eggs. Then some flour. Okay, some flour. I'll make it now. Some flour. Okay, some flour. Next, please. And then some sugar too, but not too much. It will fix the taste of the pancake. Okay. Then put some bananas in it. Remember, slice it, peel it, and then slide it into small pieces. Okay. Slice, slice, slice. Oh, can you help me doing with the knife? Okay. So this is knife. Ooh, it's very nice. So all these bananas come into the milk bottle, please. So we finished. Now close the bottle. Then shake it. Shake good. Oh, it is like earth is shaking. Yes, for the bottle, not for it. Now, take out the pan. Ready? Pour the pancake mix onto the pan to make it look like a circle. Okay? Or whatever shape do you want. Like heart, stars, rectangle, like that, all kinds. Okay, I will make it to a heart. Okay. So where we go next? You need to wait for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's start. Okay, I'll skip it away. So now, take it out of the pan. Remember, use some big spoons for you. Don't use your hand. Okay, so now make 5 or 7 piece of that. Pour in some sweetie honey. So there you go. Some bananas receipts. Very yummy. You can try it at your home. So that's very fun to cook, right? I love to cook. Now I think I will make more and show them at the market in my school. Yes, have fun selling and cooking. Bye!